And number 10, I've saved the best until last. We have this second next gen is going to be the aggressive one. This is very exciting addition to the next gen toolkit. 10 brand new AI updates are coming to the XXXX Club community. I've just put an announcement out there to all of my traders to say there are 10 brand new updates coming to AI trading for 2026. And I'm going to cover on this YouTube video exactly what these 10 updates are and how it's going to continue to help traders improve their trading, pass prop firm challenges, and of course, get paid. Because what's our only job as traders? To get paid. That's our only job, is to make money. That is it. And that's what my business does. It helps traders become successful traders. It wouldn't be a very good business if it didn't. The business wouldn't even be here if I didn't create successful traders. So since 2018, that's exactly what my mission has been. And that's why I develop and invest in new AI technology, integrate it into the next gen fully automated trading system to create fully automated trading, a possibility to so many traders when it wasn't a possibility before. So what are these 10 updates and how they're going to help empower you as a trader? So first of all, update number 1. And some of these updates, they're very simple, but extremely effective. So currently the next gen system operates on TradingView and it will send the trade to MT4. Now, once that trade goes to MT4, you can use a trade copier such as Traders Connect to send those trades and copy those trades onto as many different trading accounts as you wish. There is no cap on how many trading accounts you would like to use the next gen system for. For example, if you have 1,000 trading accounts, you can copy all of your trades from your next gen master account, which is currently on MT4, to 1,000 trading accounts if you wish through the Traders Connect trade copier. Now, what I've currently developed and coded is a new next gen, which will receive the trades onto MT5. So not only now can you have MT4 as your master account, you can also have MT5 as your master account, because MT5 is getting increasingly popular, especially with prop firms, and traders are starting to prefer MT5 as their main master platform. So now you guys can now send trades direct to MT4 or MT5. Update number 2 is to the current next gen system. Now there's some lovely, beautiful enhancements coming to the current next gen automated trading system, which is going to help further develop your existing strategies and help you create fantastic new strategies as well. So the data wizard is changing. The format will look completely different. Now this is going to give you different options on how you can tailor your strategies around each trading session. So at the moment, we can actually determine what trading session is most profitable and what days of the week are most profitable. So see here, the example I'm using right now is I have a strategy here just for Tuesdays, because I can turn off Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays if I don't want to trade those days. That's entirely bespoke to me as the trader, but I can be led to make those decisions by the data that the next gen system will tell me with the month-to-month profit and loss, and I can see every single day of the week and how much profit or loss that day of the week made. Now, at the moment, if I turn off Monday, for example, the next gen system's not going to trade Mondays throughout the Sydney, Tokyo, London, or New York session. It's going to turn Mondays off for all 4 sessions. However, the new update is going to go a level deeper. You can actually see inside Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York session. You can see what days of the week were profitable for just Sydney, just Tokyo, just London, and just New York. And you can specifically turn off a Monday in just London session, because it might just be Mondays that were letting down London session. Now, London session may have gone from a loss session to a profitable session, but you've also kept Mondays on for the other 3 sessions because Mondays were profitable in Tokyo, for example, but they weren't in London. So therefore, you can just turn off Monday in London only. This way, we are getting the absolute best times that our strategies perform. Now, before we had the data wizard available, the strategies were trading 5 days a week around the clock, or 7 days if you trade crypto. But once the data wizard came into play, which is one of our most recent upgrades, and we could turn off the days of the week, all strategies became instantly more profitable and the performance was great. So this next level now, this deeper insight that we can actually see inside Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York is further going to enhance the strategies even more than what they already are. Update 3 is, of course, for the Wizard AI. Now, this update came from suggestions from the community. So everything the community are telling us we're listening to, because we always want to enhance user experience. We want to shorten the time and the pain that traders go through to become successful traders. And we can do that by listening to what you guys are saying and implementing your feedback as quickly as possible. So you can come into the Forex Club, bang, get a strategy, bang, get automated all within the same day. As quickly as possible, we need you to get results. Because why do we want to prolong the inevitable? Why do you want to spend months and months and months back testing, learning, watching tutorials, trying to get results when we can shorten that time frame down so you can come in and get results as quickly and as easy as possible with the correct support network around you and using the correct tools? So this here is one of our tools. So I could say, what are the most profitable strategies for each ticker, right? Now, this will give me all different strategies. Now, let's make this a bit bigger so you guys can see it more easier. All different strategies that the AI system has. It will give me a full, complete list of all the best strategies. Now, it's going to determine best strategies by profit, drawdown, and strike rate. So it's going to give me a good ratio of the three. It's going to search its database of hundreds of thousands of different strategies. So we can see here, it has given me gold, Euro CHF, AUD, and ZD. It's going to give me all the different strategies that it's got. The best per symbol, best per ticker, right? Then I can take one of these strategies and I can input it into the next gen system. Now, currently, I can search the Wizard AI by using asset, time frame, the exchange it's on, because TradingView has different exchanges, profit, drawdown, strike rate, profit factor, and total trades. Now, the suggestion has been made to us, can we please search for long-only strategies, shorts, and both directions? Because a lot of traders, for example, they've got a strategy on gold, which is taking longs only. They want to complement that by having a shorts only strategy. They've now got two very highly enhanced strategies for both directions. That is now being added. So you can now search for, give me a long only strategy on gold. Give me a short only strategy on gold. Give me a long only strategy on Euro CHF, for example. So you're now getting extra features to search for different strategies that you need to help bolster out your portfolio strategies that you currently already have. That way you're going to get a good fit. You're going to find that next puzzle piece to help keep you consistent in the markets by finding the best strategy in the easiest way possible. Update number 4. So how do we currently take a strategy from the Wizard AI and input it into the next gen full automated trading system? So I could say, for example, give me row 12. So I'll write row 12. Then once I write row 12, I'm going to be delivered an AI code from my AI agent, the Wizard AI. Once I get that AI code, I simply copy and paste it into the next gen full automated trading system. And there we have a trading strategy all done, pre-built for me. So I simply click copy here. I need to know it's DE40, 15-minute time frame on Capital.com. So I can go to the charts here, DE40, 15-minute time frame, Capital.com. I go to indicators. I'd add a brand new next gen system. Once a new next gen system is added to my chart, it'd be completely random settings. So it's showing me completely random statistics. This is no strategy in any format whatsoever. This is just the default parameters. Now I can go to the strategy wizard, which is our secondary AI system. I click AI code and I copy and paste the AI code and click set. AI will now take over TradingView for me and it will input this strategy. Now we have a full automated trading strategy. It's going to update it and I'm ready to go. There we have it. Strategy made. I can now adapt these parameters to however I like. Now, once I have adapted these parameters and made them bespoke to me, so if I wanted to change some of these settings, I would then input these settings into the automated trading version of NextGen. Now that leaves room for human error because I will go, okay, MA1, I'd input 5, MA2, I'd input 39, and so on. What's coming with the update is I will click generate AI code at the bottom of this NextGen. That'll make me an AI code where I simply copy and paste it into the strategy wizard up here. Once I copy and paste it in, I will click auto trade and it will simply automatically input all of these settings into the next-gen automated trading system. Great. Now I've got a trading strategy. I need to make it my own. I can improve it. I can get the drawdown lower. I can get the profitable trades higher. I can do what I want with it. It's fully bespoke to me. So this is the testing version of the next-gen fully automated trading system. Then once we have the strategy exactly how we like it, we take the inputs here from the testing version and we simply copy them into the live next-gen auto trading version. Now, the feedback we've had at the moment is sometimes traders may copy these settings in and they may accidentally do one of these inputs incorrectly. Therefore, they're going to get different results from the live auto trading next-gen. But don't worry, we've overcome that problem. What the testing next-gen can now do is we simply will click a button once it's ready to go, and that will generate an AI code, which will then automatically populate the settings into your live auto trading next-gen. Job done. You don't have to manually input the settings no more, therefore removing any possibility of having any human error whatsoever, because the AI is going to do it all for you. So that's the next update is coming. Like I say, some of the updates are only subtle, but very effective, because we've had a lot of traders gone to copy 1.22, for example, because that's the setting that they preferred, into the auto trading version, ready to go live. They've accidentally done 1.32. And they're wondering why they're getting different trades, right? We're now eliminated any reason to have any human error by the AI now inputting all of the settings for you. So that's the next update that's coming. Update number 5, we have some brand new upgrades coming to the dashboard area. It's getting a whole new look and feel. Everything about the dashboard area is going to be tailored towards the trader being able to get the best user experience with fully automated trading that they possibly can get anywhere in the world. So this dashboard area now has been upgraded by looking at how the users are navigating through the dashboard area currently, all of the user feedback, and also using AI. So this dashboard area is going to be completely tailored to everything a trader could ever possibly need to become the best automated trader they can possibly be. So what will these updates include? So update 5 is a brand new visual look to the dashboard area. Update 6, we're having a brand new support network inputted into the dashboard area. You can make direct contact with your mentor and raise a support ticket, which will get you near enough instant response to any questions that you have. You're facing a hurdle, you're not too sure about something throughout the setup process, no worries. You raise a support ticket, the mentor that helped onboard you, bang, will be in contact with you straight away. You can have a 5-10 minute ad hoc Zoom call if you need it at no extra cost. You can have direct WhatsApp one-to-one with your mentor. This is all now been customized around helping the trader get that correct support network, so they don't just sign up and now they're wondering, oh, what do I do here? I'm not sure about this video. It doesn't matter. I mean, the videos are absolutely fantastic. They take you through a step-by-step blueprint of how to become a fully automated trader. But sometimes you might just be pondering over a certain step. No need to ponder no more. Just get in direct contact with your mentor through the dashboard area. You can raise a ticket, get in contact on WhatsApp, and we're also going to have another AI agent inputted into the dashboard area called Q. Now we've kind of got a beta version of Q, which the traders are using at the moment. They were using it for the last 4 to 5 months, which is on ChatGPT. This is now being integrated into the dashboard area, and Q will be your AI support network as well. So if Q can't answer the question, you simply get in contact with a mentor. You get a direct one-to-one mentorship, which is going to help you become a fully automated trader. Update 7, we're now going to be offering one-to-one strategy building Zoom calls from our top students already and our mentors. These students and mentors have over $1 million in funding through automated training, so they have more than proven themselves worthy of being able to give you the best tips and knowledge possible to help you achieve as much as you possibly can with automated trading. They can give you tips on the best symbols to trade, whether to trade them long, short, or both directions. What are the best symbols to use and the best combination of symbols to use to help pass prop firm challenges, what risk to reward to use, how to create the best strategies. All of these tips and knowledge you'll be able to get from the mentors and the top students from inside the Forex Club. You can do that now from a click of a button by booking a 1 hour one-to-one Zoom call. Update 8. My top traders, myself, and the mentors of the Forex Club are going to be creating monthly top tip videos. They're going to show you all their tips and tricks of how they've accumulated so much funding and success for using the next gen fully automated trading system. This is going to be an absolute game changer because now you get to look inside the mind of the most profitable traders using the fully automated trading system that you have access to. So not only do you get access to the step-by-step tutorials to help you set up, show you how to use the system, you now get monthly tip videos being dropped inside the dashboard area. And you can watch those videos, leverage that knowledge, leverage those tips and tricks, and input that into your own strategy creation. Again, helping you get even more out of the system, helping you become an even more profitable trader. Update 9, the Strategy Wizard AI. This is the AI which helps us create automated trading strategies on automation. We get some updates, of course. We're going to add some extra features. We're going to add some extra parameters that can be tested for you guys. So the settings here, which you can see loading in now by the AI, not all of these settings can actually be tested at the moment. One of them is signal smoothing, which is a very powerful filter. That is now being added. So you can now test what is the best signal smoothing value on full automation by using the Strategy Wizard AI. And that will go through and it will test every parameter for you completely automatically without you having to lift a finger. So we've got some brand new features coming to the existing Strategy Wizard, as well as adding some other elements to the current next gen. And number 10, I've saved the best until last. We have a brand new second next gen launching. So you're going to have the current next gen you have access to, and we're going to have another next gen as well. You may be thinking, what is this second next gen? I'm not going to go into too much detail about it at the moment because I want to show you guys more information when it's completely 100% ready to go live, because it's going to blow your minds. This second next gen is going to be, I don't want to use the word aggressive, but at the moment it has been labeled the aggressive one. That is not going to be the name for it. This takes a much higher volume of trades. It has very good accuracy on the lower time frames, mostly designed for scalping, in and out trades, short-term trades, so we're not holding overnight or over the weekends as much as we possibly can. It will follow the trend and catch very quick trend changes, as we can see here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 profits. It didn't take any more long trades here. It noticed the trend changed, then it started taking short trades. And again, we can see we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 profitable trades there against 3 unprofitable trades. So in total, we have 3 losses throughout this whole run, which it has caught. It caught the push phase here, then it caught the push phase to the downside. Perfect. It didn't take any trades throughout this scrappy, indecisive period here, which is what we want. So we have a more aggressive version. And again, I don't like using that name, but I feel like it's the best adjective to describe exactly what this new next gen is going to bring to the table. So you can have the current next gen, which is taking trades on a 15 and 30 minute time frame, very conservative, high strike rate, a very good next gen, which you can use as your kind of base next gen for your portfolio. Then you can add the more aggressive next gen for a more higher volume of trades. Now, there will of course be an exact blueprint of how to use the aggressive next gen. There'll be set parameters. This is the best time to use it. This is how you're going to use it. And this is how you're going to get the most out of the system. So this is going to come with a complete blueprint, just like your current next gen has. This is a very exciting addition to the next gen toolkit. We've got AI upgrades. We've got next gen existing strategy upgrades. We've got a new aggressive next gen launching. We've got the updates to the dashboard as well. This is going to be huge. It's going to be massive. It's going to be the biggest updates that I've actually pushed since we've had the automated trading live. It's even bigger than the AI updates that I pushed. This is going to be massive. So for all you guys that are currently in at the moment, this is all going live this year in 2026. So make sure you keep a lookout. Make sure you keep a lookout for the new updates channel that's going live as well. You're going to want to be involved with that because this is where I'm going to be posting all the updates of all the brand new next gen system that's going live. So if you haven't liked and subscribed already, guys, make sure you do. There'll be a lot more updates coming on the YouTube channel, a bigger insight into the aggressive one, which is our brand new automated trading system. You're going to catch it all here live. I'm going to give you all the updates that you could possibly want.